Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to present my credit card financial dashboard. Let's dive in. Here is the overview of this project. This project aims to analyze credit card transactions and customer data to uncover valuable insights. By integrating SQL for data storage and Power BI for visualization, I developed a dynamic dashboard that helps stakeholders track key financial metrics and optimize strategies. The key focus areas include revenue analysis, customer segmentation, and transaction trends. Here is the objective of this project. The primary objective of this project is to build a comprehensive dashboard that allows financial institutions to monitor key credit card metrics. By leveraging data analytics, we can finally identify spending patterns, customer preferences, and revenue driving factors to enhance business performance. Now I can explain the data sets I have used in this project. Here I have used two data sets. One is customer data and another one is credit card transaction data. Customer data includes demographics, financial and customer experiences, and second one is credit card transactions that includes card categories, transaction volume, amount, credit card limit, utilization and interest earned. Let's walk you through the process of the data. Firstly, I have structured customer and transaction data in SQL tables, used copy commands for efficient bulk data import. After that, I imported data from SQL to Power BI. I did data cleaning and transformation using Power Query. And finally, I created calculated columns and measures using DAX for deeper insights. Let's move on to the next slide. I have used SQL for data storage and querying, Power BI for interactive visualizations and analytics, DAX functions to create calculated columns and measures for deeper insights. Let's move on to the next slide. Here is the dashboard I have created. Now I will walk you through this credit card transaction. Before that, I can explain the dashboard I have created. I have created two pages of report. One is credit card customer report and another one is credit card transaction report. I can explain this dashboard through my through dashboard link I have pasted here. Yes, this is the dashboard I have created. Um, at the top of the corner, I have placed four key metrics: total revenue, total interest, total amount, and total count. And the bar and line chart shows how revenue and transaction count fluctuate across Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Revenue remains constant, but Q3 has the highest transaction and in revenue also. In Q4, we can see a slight decline in both revenue and transaction. Here we can see a revenue by card category. Blue card users contribute the majority revenue. Gold and platinum cards generate the least revenue. Yes, here we can see revenue by expenditure. Bills contributed the highest revenue, followed by entertainment. Travel contributed the least. Revenue by education. Here we can see graduate people contributed the highest revenue of 22 millions, while doctorate holder contributed very less. Revenue by job category. Here we can see businessman and white collar. Here we can see a businessman spends the highest, followed by white collar, self-employed. Retires spend least. Here you can see revenue by chip used. Swipe payment dominate, showing most transactions happen at physical stores, followed by chip, but online payments are the lowest. This is the credit card transaction report. Now I will show you the credit card customer report in next page. Here I have kept um, four key metrics as it is. Yes, a line chart represents the sum of revenue trends for male and female customers over time. Male customers contribute higher revenue, but both genders show similar transaction patterns. There are periodic spikes and dips suggesting seasonal variations in spending. Here we can see the revenue by age group. We can see 40 to 50 age group people has the highest revenue contribution. Then 60 plus age group spending is significantly lower, which may be due to retirement or a preference for other payment methods. Now we can see revenue by marital status. Married individuals contribute more revenue. Single individuals also have significant spending power, making them a key target audience. Here we can see revenue by income group. High income females, yes, high income females are the biggest spenders. Low income individuals have lowest spending habits, indicating a need for targeted financial solutions. Here we can see revenue by dependent. Individuals with dependents spend more, likely due to family expenses. Here we can see revenue by education. Graduates are the highest spenders. Lower education levels correlate with the lower revenue. We can see here around four slicers. Slicer by quarter, slicer by cards, slicer by payment methods. Here you can see the results by clicking the gold card, silver card. Silver card in quarter 4, and we can see how many transactions occurred in quarter 4 by swiping. Yes, this is the dashboard. Now we can continue in presentation. Here I have attached a GitHub link. You can visit this site and you can download all the files, data sets and everything I have uploaded there. You can visit and you can download it. Let's move on to the next slide. Here I have dashboard insights. Revenue breakdown. The blue card generates the highest revenue, contributing approximately around 46 million. Transaction trends. Transaction using swipe dominate spending patterns. Customer segments. Higher satisfaction among graduate and businessman. Spending types like more spending goes towards bill, entertainment and fuel. Recommendations. I have some recommendations. Optimize credit limits to adjust limit based on customer spending behavior. Target high value customers. Offer premium services to high income users. Enhance customer engagement. Improve satisfaction with personalized rewards. Monitor transaction fraud. Implement real-time anomaly detection for security. Here is the conclusion. This dashboard provides actionable insights into customer spending, helping banks and financial firms improve engagement and optimize credit offerings. This is the last slide of this project. Thank you all for your precious time, and I'm happy to hear your thoughts, opinions, and any questions regarding this project. Um, thank you all.